there. A lot of people turn in this driveway and say, I've gone too far. Now sometimes when you cut like this, you can't help yourself but cut. But the wind blow the mulch right back in your face. He's been arguing with me, telling me I need to just drop it in one swoop. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna be careful and climb it and piece it out, because sometimes when you drop it in one swoop, you can have a slight mistake and wipe out a 30 crepe myrtle, and that's called a showstopper. You have to pay for the crepe myrtle, but instead, he'd make me angry, and I'd make him climb up and cut it out piece for piece. Which, you know, like what I'm doing now. It's always safer and not really that much more time consuming. Just a little effort.